Welcome to Daily Leetcode. Today's question is reverse words in a string. So today's question is reverse words in a string. So given a string S, reverse the order of characters in each word within a sentence while still preserving white space and initial word order. So for example, let's say we have an input S with let's take Leetcode contest. So what they want us to do is we need to change the order of each word. So in this case, we need to change the order in the reverse order. And similarly, we'll take and put it in reverse order and so on. And we need to keep the white spaces where they already are. So we don't need to change them. And that's about it. So let's see how to solve this problem first, and then we will code it. So let's say we have our word apple. And we need to convert it into E, L, P, P, and A. So how can we do that? We can do that by multiple ways, but we will be using the straightforward way. So what we can do is we can loop over this string backwards and store this value into a new variable, which will store it like this, and then we can join it and make a string. So that's probably the easiest way to solve this problem. And in this case, we have actually a long string. Let's do something. So how can we do that? So we can create a generic function. So that function will convert each word, right? And then we can just join them. So in JavaScript, we first of all need to use our split method. We need to split this string into array, and then we will use join to make it into a string. So let's see how to code that in JavaScript now. So let's see how to solve this problem in JavaScript. So first of all, we need our function. So we created a reverse word function that will take a word and it will loop through it from reverse order. So it will loop through the last element to first element, and then we created a W variable, which is an empty string, and it will concatenate that word with that empty string, and at the end it will return the string in reverse order. And we need to pass this function here. So first of all, we need to convert this string into an array, and to do that we can use the split method given by JavaScript. So s.split, and let's create an empty result array. So now let's apply our loop, and over here we will push everything into our result array, which is an empty array, and over here we will apply this function which we created to individual element in our newly created array. So now let's try to submit it, and our solution was submitted. The time complexity of this code is O of n, and the space complexity of this code is also O of n. The reason the time complexity is of n because in the reverse word function, it takes a string word as input and reverse it by iterating through the string backwards and appending each character to a new string W, right? So the complexity of this operation is of n, where n is the length of this input string, because we need to loop through all the elements in the string, so that's why it's of n. And similarly for this operation it is of n, for this operation it's of n, and this operation is of n. So if we combine of n 3 times, we will get of n. And that's it from today's Leetcode question. I will see you next time with new question. Thanks a lot for watching.